What was that? In an earthquake, the very ground under your feet shakes and rolls. This strong ground movement can be scary to experience and can cause things to fall and structures to break apart. Earthquakes can damage buildings, roads, bridges, utilities, and pipelines. The most damage happens in places where the shaking is strong and long-lasting, or where the ground loses its strength. Lucky for us, scientists and engineers are working hard to design all kinds of structures so that they can resist earthquakes.
The end goal is to have an earthquake where we have very little damage or no damage. That's what we're trying to do here.
Through the National Science Foundation, research is being done to prevent scenes like these from ever occurring again when the Earth shakes in the future.